Hey friends, welcome to It's All About Quiz. Can you find the odd one out? If you are ready, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. First challenge. Did you find it? That's a good start. Here's the next one. That's awesome! Choose any one door. Select the door you like. Good job. Let's see if you can find it. Going good. Let's find the last one. How many answers did you got right? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, then hit like and subscribe and stay connected for more such videos.